So guys, in today's video we'll see how you can create a bootable Windows 11 USB drive. It's a very simple method and a Windows 11 bootable drive can be extremely useful, whether you need to install Windows 11 on another device or perform troubleshooting tasks. Additionally, I highly recommend you always keep one such bootable USB drive prepared. It can be incredibly helpful in the future for data recovery or system repair. Don't skip any step and watch the video till the end. Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, click on first link in description and you will come to Microsoft website. Once you're there, scroll down a little and you'll find the option Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Click on it. In the drop-down, select Windows 11 and click Confirm. Next, it will ask for a language. Select your preferred language and click Confirm. And start downloading the Windows 11 ISO file. The file size will be around 5 and 6 GB, so it may take a little time. Wait for it to finish downloading. Now open a new tab and search for Rufus. Open this website. Now scroll down, click on the first download link to download Rufus. Open the Rufus software you just downloaded and run it. When it opens, you'll see a window where your USB drive will be automatically detected at the top. Next, you'll see an option to select the ISO image. Click the Select button and browse to where you downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file. Choose that file. Now you don't need to check or change any other settings, just click Start to begin the process. The process will take a few minutes. Once it's complete, you'll see a message saying ready. This means your USB drive has now been successfully turned into a bootable Windows 11 flash drive. If you open File Explorer and check the drive again, you'll notice that its label has changed. This confirms it's now a bootable Windows 11 drive. Now you can use this USB to install Windows 11, troubleshoot systems, or reset passwords as needed. So guys, I hope you found this easy method helpful in creating a bootable Windows 11 USB drive. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.